Let's break down a trade that I mentioned you guys on this morning about AUD CHF and the JPP CHF to short. Well, JPP CHF didn't play out as we expected. We didn't get the insurance entry from this one. Yes, we do get this kind of a very squeezy one, but this is not good enough for me to take any trade, right? But the thing is, we got this trade on AUD HF as of fact. We can see we got directed from a big volume, and we got the rejection at the 4 hour time frame, which is the confirmation and then we can see the structure, which is not a 1 hour structure because I can't even see the structure clearly. And as we can see here, this is wicking to the value point. So if a price or a week on that value point, normally they fill up at least 50%, which in this case it has filled up 50%. And the structure, as we can see here, it is on the 50-minute time frame, so 50-minute entry must be taken, right? This is the main value point. As we can see, the three approach to it: 1, 2, 3, and that's it. We took this trade. We are running for around 4.9, almost 5%. I have already locked in. I think I will be more than happy to close this trade right now, because as we can see here, it is it has oh, 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 it has done more than enough. As we can see here, just look at the length of the impulse almost matched, right? That's it, 5% lock in, profit close. And if you guys don't have the Falcon contents, I have all the things that you need. And before that, if you guys have enough money to buy a funded challenge, you can use this from Apex Capital. They are doing some sort of like giveaway, right? So these things, you have to do is just invite 50 people to get a 5k to step account. And this is Apex Capital. This shit is the one of the best from in this industry. So make sure you guys try this one. Link will be in the description. So I got all the videos for you guys here: the refinement, the reward program, the 4 hour, the Falcon mechanics. All you have to do is just message me on Telegram here. That's it. And for this trade, I was looking for a trade right up there. I did set a sell stop limit after at below a bit of pip here. This is a very lovely trade, but it didn't take me in, so I didn't take any trade on this one. But definitely one of the best trades is that we can get in right up there, this one. But I didn't get it because this is not a good one. So that's it for video, guys. Well, for next day, I am waiting for this one. USD cat definitely for a sell from here. GBCHF no trades. This one a follow through continuation pattern, that will be good. Euro JP, I was looking for a trade here, but this is not a good enough structure on this trade, so I didn't take it, right? So yeah, that's it.